welcome back to BMR Parts and Marine. What we have for sale today is a 2005 Mercury 2-stroke. This is a tiller. This one's a long shaft. Got 90 to 95 PSI on all 3 cylinders. It will come with the prop that is on it. New spark plugs, new impeller, new fuel filter. Lower unit was pressure tested good, and the carburetors were gone through. Go ahead and fire this one up. It does have tilt and trim here on the side. We're going to try doing this without the fan. Put it in forward. Back to neutral. Reverse. Back to neutral. Shut it off. Fire it back up. If you're interested in it, you can give us a call at 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. Thank you and have a great day.